Today in this video I can show you how you can link one sheet to another sheet. How you can add a link. Now I have this table in working sheet and this table is for total. Now I can put the link in between these two sheets. How I can do? First I select this sheet and press equal sign, and then I will go back to this sheet and then press this one. Now I hit enter. Have you seen this? The same amount has been written to this. Now I can show how it works. Here is written 2.25. Let's suppose I can write it here 1.3 and then hit enter. Have you seen this? The amount changes here. Now the same amount will be written in this table. Have you seen this? The same amount is written in this table. Now I can change here 4. Look what's written 1240.43 and here in this table 1240.43. In this way you put the link between one sheet to another sheet or multiple sheets. If your working is in the same sheet and other sheets are linked with this sheet, you can put the link like that and make changes in one sheet and fill changes in another sheet. Thank you. Thanks for watching. The other tricks will be in the next video. Thank you. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe the channel.